If you want to see how I get this filter-like makeup look, no foundation makeup look, or you're like me that loves minimal makeup, stick around because you're gonna enjoy this video. What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's AJ Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy beginner friendly makeup look, no foundation makeup look. Plus I'm going to be giving an extra tip at the end of this video. So let's get into the video. You're going to be needing your hair wax or any gel you use, and this lashbrow brush. You're gonna dip the brush into your gel and use it to brush out your brows. So you're just gonna brush your brow out, fill it in a little, just like that. So after doing that, we're gonna grab our eyebrow pencil and we're gonna go under our brows. So we're gonna go under our brows. We're not going to fill it in. We're not going to fill in with the pencil. We're just going to go over and under, and we're going to use the lash brush to fill in the brows, just like that. So we are going to grab this concealer brush and our concealer palette, and we're going to go with the shade that is closest to our skin tone. So we're going to go under our brows with minimal concealer and over our brows with minimal concealer. Remember, it's a minimal makeup look, just like that. So we're going to go over our brows like that. So we are going to grab our concealer palette and we're going with the shade closest to our skin tone under our eyes, just like that. So you're going to apply this all over your eyes for a more flawless and lifted look, just like that. So you're going to do this on the other side too. So we are going to go under our lip and on any sides that we have discoloration. So you're just going to see me apply there and under my lips too, above my lips. We're going to apply on my chin, on my nose bridge, on the tip of my nose, some on my forehead, just like that. And I'm going to apply on my side chin, just like that. I'm going in with a dark shade on my sides, cheek, and on the side of my nose. So I went in with another darker shade on the side of my cheeks, and I'm adding this orange concealer as a blush, and I apply that over my eyelids too. So we're just going to blend it all together, and don't worry, I know we are looking crazy, but trust the process, trust me. So this is how it looks after blending. Yeah, so I picked up this pink lipstick and I applied it on my cheek, on my nose, my cheekbones. Yeah, so I wasn't really feeling the orange blush thing because it wasn't giving me the blush that I wanted, so I went in with this pink one, and yeah, it was what I needed. Yeah, so this is after blending it all together. So I'm going in with a lighter shade than the one I used earlier on for a more lifted and sculpted look. Yeah, so we're gonna blend it all together. So the reason why I'm doing this is to give the flawless look that it should have. So guys, this is the icing on the cake. This is it. This is the big tip. This is spraying your face with setting spray before you apply your powder. This gives it the flawless, when I say flawless, I mean flawless look. It was like the makeup was glued to my face. So go in with your powder, setting powder, apply that on the place we highlighted earlier on your cheeks, on your deep underlip, on your forehead, or the bridge of your nose. So we're going in with our brush and we're just going to brush it all in, just like that. So I'm going in with my eyeliner and I'm just going to drag the line to where I want it to, and I'm going to drag it back in. So you drag it out and you drag it in, just like that. You continue drawing till you get the desired shape that you want. So you see me going back in, filling in the spurs, places that I missed earlier on, and I'm trying to like be very straight. So just go in and fill it in just like that, drag it out and fill in the spaces. It's that simple to get this wing liner. Yeah, this is it. So you do the same thing to the other side, and once you're done with the other side, you can check if they are both the same. If they are not, you just go in and fill in the places. So guys, I've put on my lashes and I decided to add freckles. You can see there are like some dots on my face, so I wanted to show you guys how I do this. So you're just gonna use your liner, you're gonna use it to create small dots on your palm like this. So you're going to try to make it inconsistent, because if it's looking almost the same, it's not going to turn out well. So you're going to tap it on something to reduce it a little, just like that, and I'm going in with it like this. You can see, yeah, so you can see how it's turning out pretty great. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to outline my lip. I'll do the same to the top, just like that. So I'm going to apply my liquid matte lipstick from Huda Beauty. I'm going to apply on my lips. Yeah, we are done with this look. So let me spray on my face again. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up in the comment section. If you want to see more content like this, yeah, you can also drop a comment and I'll be sure to reply. If you did not enjoy this video, dislike, yeah, it's your choice. So this makeup look was inspired by a friend of mine. She wanted to see how I do my makeup and how I accomplish my liners. So yeah, thank you for requesting for a video. If you also want to request for a video, you can drop a comment in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram and I'll be sure to follow you and reply to your message. Yeah, so guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.